Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hi, and welcome to this video. Today I'm about to share a great tool that fits every one of us that helps to develop creativity and innovation. But before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Angelique Bernardo. I am a 4th-year student at City College of Tagaytay, and I am a Creative Associate in Creative Nation Academy. I accomplished the following credentials and certifications as you can see on the screen. I am an Adobe Creative Educator Level 1, and I am an Inbound and Inbound Marketing Certified. You can also follow me on my social media accounts presented on your screen. Are you looking for new knowledge and tutorials regarding the use of Adobe applications? Now this is a big chance for you. You can visit, like, follow and subscribe the following Creative Nation Academy social media accounts and start learning and creating your innovative things. So now, as an educator, student, or a creative person, how creative are you when it comes to dealing with your works or projects? Do you know any applications or tools that will ease your job? If you're having trouble with your present applications, let me share this tool to you. Introducing the Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So here's the agenda for today. First is, what is Adobe Creative Cloud Express? Second, how to use Adobe Creative Cloud Express. And we're gonna have a short Adobe Creative quiz, and we're gonna finish this with a summary. The first is, what is Adobe Creative Cloud Express? It is a quick and easy web and mobile app that's perfect for us. This tool is used in making social graphics, flyers, logos, picture and video editing, and more. In terms of education, it helps to drive creativity in the classroom and develop the vital skills for a digital world. It was launched on December 13, 2021, and it is open for iOS, Mac OS, Windows, and Android operating systems. It was previously known as Adobe Spark. It doesn't replace the Adobe Spark, but it has improved to help people create their graphic designs freely with access to millions of templates, images, icons, and effects. The good thing about this is, it is available for free with thousands of templates and amazing features. But you can also upgrade to a premium plan to unlock all the premium content and features. If you wanna give it a try, you can browse and log on to the Adobe Creative Cloud Express by using this link presented on your screen. And you can use your Google, Facebook, Apple, Adobe ID, or email address. Next is, how to use Adobe Creative Cloud Express. If you're familiar with Canva, I bet this might be easy for you. You can use the Adobe Creative Cloud Express or Adobe CC Express in many ways. If you're an educator, student, or a creative individual, you can make banners, presentations, edit pictures, videos to GIFs, you can make your fonts as fancy as you like, and you can explore things like using a specific image and make it as your own by adjusting the colors and the content, and so much more. So let me show you my example. This is how I use Adobe Creative Cloud Express in making my title page. First, I think of something soft but colorful that fits my personality as the way I deliver my words, so I think of a feather. And then I search for a feather color background, and then I chose these soft pastel colors. For the text, I prefer something that pops out into the eyes, like eye-catchy for me. So I inserted the Creative Nation Academy logo for acknowledgement after. And then I placed my image at the bottom of the text in line with my name and my position in the Creative Nation Academy. So I inserted the last part of my title to adjust the sizes and spacing. And now, something is missing. I'm looking for something that will give my background more appealing. So I used a fancy art decoration to make this complete. I adjusted the colors to a darker one so that the center of attraction would be the center itself. And that's it. Before we wrap up this discussion, I will give you the Adobe Creative Quiz. First question. When is the launch date of Adobe CC Express? Is it A. November 13, 2021, letter B. September 13, 2021, letter C. December 13, 2021, or letter D. October 13, 2021? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So time's up. The answer is letter C. It was launched on December 13, 2021. Next question. You need to pay a subscription on Adobe Creative Cloud Express to open their templates. Is it A. True or B. False? Another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up. The answer is false. The free subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud Express already contains thousands of templates to choose from. The last question is, Adobe Creative Cloud Express is previously known as Adobe blank. Is it A. Space, B. Speed, C. Spend, or letter D. Spark? Another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up. The answer is letter D, Spark. It is called Adobe Spark. And now we're done. You all learned about this simple and short discussion about Adobe Creative Cloud Express. You already know what it means, what can be done in this design application, and how to use it. It is my honor to share this simple knowledge of mine, and I hope you're able to be inspired as well. As an educator, a student like me, and a creative person and an aspiring graphic designer. And again, don't forget to visit, like, follow, and subscribe the CNA community, as our goal is to turn your simple ideas into wonderful creations. And that brings us to the end. Bye!